Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to install Python packages. I have divided this session into two parts. In the first part, we will see the most widely used commands those are being used to install Python packages. So let's see that these commands are as follows: pip install package name. In case if you want to install specific version of any package, in that case you need to write the command pip install package name double equal to version name. If you have multiple version of Python installed on your operating system, in that case you can provide that for which particular Python version or pip version you want to install the package. So for example, I have two Python environment installed on my operating system. One is very latest and another one is of version 3.5. In that case, I can write a command like pip 3.5 install package name to install package for Python 3.5 version. Another way to install package is python -m pip install package name, which is similar to pip install package name. Also, if you have requirement.txt file, so this text file will contain all the packages which you want to install on your operating system. So you can write the command pip install -r requirement.txt to install all the packages mentioned in the particular text file. The format of that text file will be like something this: package name double equal to version. So it can be like pandas double equal to 1.1.1.1, Django double equal to 2.3.4, beautiful so 4. So in case when we have not mentioned any version, in that case Python by default will install latest version of that particular package. And last, you can use the same python -m pip install -r requirements.txt command to install all the packages mentioned in the requirement text. So let's see them practically. Okay, so first of all, I will show the basic main command that is being most widely used: pip install numpy. Okay, so it will install the numpy package. If I am saying that pip install numpy double equal to a specific version, so let's say 1.20.3, in that case, first of all, it will download that package. Then it will uninstall the package that we have previously installed. So I have previously installed 1.21.1, that is the latest package. So it has uninstalled that previous package and then install the package that I have mentioned, that is 1.20.3. By default, Python will try to find that particular package in the cache folder. If it is available in the cache folder, then it will try to pick that package from that cache folder. Otherwise, it will try to install that package from the net. Now, another way is Python -m pip install. Let's say I want to install a Scikit learn package. So this is the important package for analytics and or let's say data science. So it has installed latest version of Scikit learn. In case I want a specific version of scikit-learn, in that case, I need to mention it over here like this. In case you are getting this warning that you are using pip version, this however version this is available, you should consider upgrading via this command. So what you can do is, in that case, you need to upgrade your pip version. That you can do by using the following command: python -m pip install -U pip. This command will upgrade your pip version. As you can see that now your pip version has been upgraded from 21.1.3 to 21.2.1. Now another way to install packages is from text file. So I have got over here two text file. One is requirement.txt, where I have mentioned that I want to install Django 3.0.2, Pandas 1.1, and Beautiful Soup 4 latest version. So what I can do is pip install -r requirement.txt, and then it will install provided version of the packages. If no version has been mentioned, in that case, it will install the latest version of the package. I have also got another file like get another name.txt. So it has got two packages to be installed, Plotly and Seaborn, and both of these packages I haven't mentioned any specific version. So it will install latest version of both of these packages. So I can use Python -m pip install -r another name.txt. So as I have mentioned earlier, the name is not important, but you need to provide package name, and if required its version in that particular text file to be installed. It will also install its dependencies. Now I have got Plotly and Seaborn with their dependencies like matplotlib, kiwisolver, pandas, pillow. One more thing, that in case you have multiple Python versions have been installed, and if you want to install package for specific Python version, so you can use the command like pip. Let's say I want to install, let's say pip 3.9 install package name, let's say LXML, and yeah, you are good to go. So it will install that particular package LXML for pip version 3.9 or Python version 3.9. That's it for the day. Thank you everyone for watching this video.